Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be unboxing this Apple Watch right here. I got it so long ago and it was basically lost in my moving but I found it, so we are here opening it up. Let's see how this thing looks like. I'm so excited to finally open my Apple Watch. I also have a band from the brand Coach that I hope that it fixed this thing right here. Let's see this product, Apple Watch. This one is Series A Starling aluminum case, 45 mm. Oh, I think the band is only onto 41 mm. I don't think it's gonna fit it. Let's see it right away because I'm curious. Yes, definitely this is only for 38 mm and 40 mm. This is 45 mm, is one of the biggest ones, so this is not gonna fit, unfortunately. This is super gorgeous. I'm actually gonna put it in Mercury for you guys to buy if you want it. This is $85 retail price. I'm probably gonna put it for very inexpensive price, probably like $30, because I want you guys to have it. I'm not gonna be obviously be able to use it, so I'm just going to sell it. All right, so let's open this bad guy right here. I had the Series 6 and that's why I update for this one. Very cute. I love the presentation of this product. It's super gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's like gold, but it's not super shiny. I don't like extremely shiny gold. And I also have this band in here, which is the band that it comes with the watch, which is beige, super neutral. I'm a neutral girl. I like things that look neutral and nice. So let's first look at the band. Let's look at the band first. And then we look at the watch. Let's see, we open here. Very pretty. It's elastic. Okay, so now let's open the actual watch and see how it looks like. There we go. Does it have, oh yeah, it has another one in here. Charger. And the watch. Oh my god. Let's look at this. 45 mm. Oh, so pretty. This is so pretty. I love the color. It's not gold. It's not silver. It's like a very soft gold, like super soft. So beautiful. Maybe it's been in the box so long that even the battery is dead. So I'm gonna have to charge it. But let's put it on. Let's put it on. See how it looks like. On. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, there we go. Look at how pretty is this. Oh my god. I love it. Oh, so freaking gorgeous. This is so pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. A lot. Okay, I'm gonna charge it and let me show you how it looks like when it's on. But see how pretty this thing is? Oh, I really like this band. I'm gonna leave the band down below and what size I have it. Oh, it looks so stunning. Unfortunately, the Coach band is not gonna fit. So this thing, I'm gonna have to sell it, but it's okay, guys. If you have a 38 mm or a 40 mm, you can snatch this from my Mercury account. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm gonna charge it and I'm gonna be right back showing you how it looks like. Okay, here is the watch completely set up. It asked me very few questions. It wasn't like too bad, too many questions or anything. It's super pretty. I actually really like this face. It's the face that it came out with. I might change it later, but for now it's super cool. It took like 1 hour to charge completely, and well, this is how it looks like. You can make this a list, but I normally keep it like this. It's just like fun. It's easier if you have a list though. But everything is here. Everything that I need the most basically is here, including you guys right now. You're here. But yeah, we're recording, so let's not do that. I don't want to damage the image right now. So I want to show you also the Series A that I have. Obviously I don't use it anymore. Here it is to compare. This is the rose gold, and I believe it's a little smaller, and here it is. I never changed the face too much or anything on it, but if you want to see side by side, this is the Series 6 and this is the 8. This one is a little bigger. I'm gonna put this one on sale too on Mercury. Alright guys, don't forget to give a big thumbs up to the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!